today to express our gratitude and appreciation for the medical professionals who dedicate their lives to the well-being of others. And along with this, we must appreciate all the staff without their dedicated work with us. But they all the travel with us. So happy Doctors Day to them.
When we were doctors, we were young doctors, at that time, sometimes our boss, I just remember Dr. Anwara Khatun. She was my boss in Islamia Hospital. A patient was very sick. We both sat whole night by the side of the patient. A free patient. But at that time it was something like that your life is only for the patients. Now the times have changed definitely. Now it has much improved. But that time was also like that being a doctor means you have to completely keep your life for the patients only. No, but everything now it's so easy to treat the patients nowadays. We have got all the investigations and everything, and at that time we have to just depend on our clinical source only. Okay, thank you.
Ex-Chief Minister, Dr. Bidan Rai. So he is the pioneer of our medicine. So we respect this day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm a skin specialist here, and thank you so much, Nahid ma'am, for having such a lovely clinic here in the heart of the city. What I love about this clinic is the staff. I think you have a wonderful staff here, and big cheers to the nursing staff and all the desk also.
Working as a pediatrician here at DN19 and Chaverathi India, Institute of Child Health as well. I enjoy working with babies and children. So it's been a pleasure to join the DN19 family.
সবাই জানি ডক্টর বিধান চন্দ্র রায়ের জন্মদিন। তো সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই।
फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें, हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से, जाने वतन सा जाग बुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे।
इस कोरोना की डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं।
हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाते आते हैं। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
very welcoming to be amongst everyone. Happy Doctors Day to all of us.
एक बात तो कहना पड़ेगा कि ये इतने कम टाइम पे इतने अच्छे से पूरे चीज़ों को ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही है। तो हमने सारी इसके पहले ही सारी बातें की, वो तो सिर्फ एक लाइट हार्टेड बातें थी, बट सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट गोस इन छोटी छोटी प्रोग्राम्स के लिए, सो मच ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन, सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट। कहाँ से क्या आएगा, कब लोग पहुँचेंगे, कैसे बनेगा, क्या मोमेंटो देंगे, डिज़ाइन कैसा होगा, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू अतिया, प्रियंका एंड भाभी एंड एवरीवन।
Before I joined BN, but joining here and working so closely, I can say that I'm really proud of being associated with Nahid Aunty and all of you. And I have not seen a more ethical team in India than them.
A day to express our sincere gratitude and appreciation for the tireless effort and dedication of all doctors. Doctors are more than just professionals. They are the pillars of our health and well-being. They work tirelessly, often putting their own needs aside to heal the sick and improve the lives of countless individuals. Their commitment to their patients, their knowledge and their compassion are truly inspiring. Special thanks to Dr. Aisha ma'am for giving me an opportunity to be here. Thank you, ma'am. I've been knowing Simran for almost a decade.